Long ago, people did not have pharmacies. No pills, no clinics, they had something better, they had plants. Plants that could stop pain, close wounds, and calm a fever. Many of these plants still grow today, maybe even in your backyard, but over time we forgot them. We forgot what our grandparents knew. Today you will meet 10 of these forgotten plants. One of them was once called the surgeon's herb. Stay with me because by the end of this video you will know exactly what it is and why people trusted it with their lives. Plant number 1, yarrow. Let's start with yarrow. This plant has small, feathery leaves and tiny white flowers. It grows wild in fields and along roads. For hundreds of years, people used yarrow to stop bleeding. They would crush the leaves and place them on a cut. The bleeding would slow down fast. This matters because yarrow shows us that nature gave us simple first aid long before modern bandages existed. But yarrow is not the only plant that fights bleeding and pain. The next one was used by soldiers on the battlefield. Plant number 2, comfrey. Comfrey is a tall plant with big, rough leaves and purple or pink flowers. People called it knitbone. Why? Because they believed it helped broken bones heal faster. They made a paste from the leaves and wrapped it around the injury. This matters because it shows how much trust people placed in simple garden plants for serious injuries. Plant number 3, peppermint, has a fresh smell and a cool taste. People have used it for stomach trouble for thousands of years. A simple cup of peppermint tea could calm an upset stomach, ease bloating, and stop nausea. This matters because stomach problems were just as common back then as they are now, and peppermint was a gentle, easy fix. Plant number 4, chamomile, has small, daisy-like flowers. People dried these flowers and made tea from them. This tea was known to calm the mind and help with sleep. Mothers gave it to fussy babies. Old people drank it before bed. This matters because good sleep was seen as the base of good health, and chamomile made that possible without any medicine. Plant number 5, willow bark. Willow trees grow near rivers and streams. Long ago, people chewed the bark of this tree to ease pain and lower fever. It worked so well that scientists later used it to create a famous pain medicine that is still used today. This matters because it proves that one tree bark led to a discovery that changed medicine forever. Plant number 6, plantain. No, not the banana-like fruit. This plantain is a small weed with wide leaves that grows in almost every yard. People often call it a weed and pull it out. But long ago, it was a hero plant. People crushed the leaves and placed them on bug bites, cuts, and rashes. It helped pull out splinters and calm itching. This matters because the most powerful healing plant might be the one we are stepping on right now in our own garden. Speaking of things we ignore, the next plant grows almost everywhere too, and it does something surprising for the liver. Plant number 7, dandelion. Dandelions are bright yellow flowers that turn into white puffballs. Most people see them as weeds to pull out of the lawn. But people once used the roots and leaves to support the liver and help with digestion. They made tea from the roots or added the leaves to salads. This matters because it shows that healing plants are not rare or exotic. Plant number 8, aloe vera, is a thick green plant with sharp edges. Inside its leaves is a clear gel. People have used this gel for thousands of years to treat burns, sunburns, and cuts. Just breaking open a leaf and rubbing the gel on the skin could bring quick relief. This matters because aloe vera proves that some of the best remedies need no cooking, no mixing, and no waiting. Plant number 9, echinacea, has tall stems and purple, daisy-like flowers. Native American tribes used this plant long before settlers arrived. They used it to fight colds, infections, and sore throats. They believed it gave the body strength to heal itself. This matters because echinacea shows how deeply ancient people understood the link between plants and the body's own defenses. Now let's talk about the plant I mentioned at the start, the one called the surgeon's herb. Plant number 10, calendula, also called marigold, has bright orange and yellow flowers. Surgeons in the past used calendula to clean wounds and stop infection before real medicine existed. That is why it earned the nickname the surgeon's herb. These 10 plants were once part of daily life. They grew in gardens, fields, and even cracks in the sidewalk. People did not need a pharmacy. They needed their eyes, their hands, and a little knowledge passed down from their elders. Today, many of these plants still grow quietly around us, waiting to be noticed again. Maybe next time you walk through your garden, you will look at the weeds a little differently.